Hey guys, so I know I've been gone for such a long time, but I'm finally back, and you know what, I have a lot to catch up with you guys about, but for now we're just gonna get straight into this video because I've gotten this box here from Influenster from a long time ago, and I just want to go ahead and get this film for you guys because with Influenster they allow you to try out products, give your honest reviews on them, but they do give you time frames. It's not like 1-2 weeks, it's like a month, maybe 6 weeks or so, but I've gotten this for quite some time now, and I just want to get it out there because I like have 2 weeks or no, I have until the 25th, I think. So I'm just gonna try to get this done quickly. So this was in partnership with Lancôme, and I love Lancôme, guys. Yes, initially it was to be the Lancôme Skin Feels So Good foundation, but they did go ahead and incorporate a serum and also a sunscreen. This is what they look like. I didn't use them in this video, but this is the sunscreen, and this is the serum. Yeah, I didn't use it because I started filming this video so late, it didn't make any sense. I just wanted to dive right in, get the foundation on for you guys to see, and also they threw in this extra goodie, which is the Prismatic Lip Plumper. So that's what I'll be showing you guys, so if you're interested, just stick around and keep on watching. Pro primer. Let's see on the face. Ooh, nice. It's clear. I'm trying to see how to show you guys this thing. Okay, so, and I already did my eyebrows. I'm trying to grow them out. Never mind that, okay? Like, never mind that. All right. Oh, so this definitely feels a bit silicone-y. I mean, I don't know, I haven't done a video in for so long. Like, ooh, this feels definitely silicone-y. As I said, they didn't send me this, so this isn't like a new product or anything. But that feels good, I guess. It just feels really silicone-y. It reminds me of that e.l.f. primer that I always used on my channel back then. This claims to mattify skin, resurfaces and perfect skin. Okay, it says it helps with control, shine control. It's supposed to give you a smooth complexion with a satin soft finish, an ultimum radiance airbrushed look. Oh, insane. I mean, my face wasn't shiny before, but let's move on. They do have a range of colors, not much, a couple. I'm not really sure how much at this point in time. So I have 2 colors right here with me. So I have the 16C Real Suede, is it? And I also have Sunny Amber. So these are the 2 deepest shades. Look at that jump, oh my god. But I'll go ahead and swatch these for you guys. So I have them both right here. So this one is Real 16C Real Suede, and then Sunny Amber, which is that top shade right here. So that's the one that I'm definitely going to use. On pump, I'm gonna put all over and see how far this, as I said, it's a tint anyway, so I'll probably just use my fingers. Would that be grimy? Probably not. One pump is definitely not going to do anything for me, but let's see. I look darker. Does it look darker to you guys? I don't know. I think my skin looks nice though. Maybe I should zoom you guys in. it just looks like skin, to be honest. So if you look at my skin, I mean, I'm still seeing everything that was there before. It's definitely not covering anything, but well, let me get a little mirror. What I can tell is that my skin just looks nice. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Let's go in with another layer. So I'm gonna do another. That's what the pump looks like, and I'm gonna focus it here. I'll put some here. This looks like it was more than the last pump that I took. Maybe I didn't take a lot before, but whatever. All right, let me try. And it does have a scent to it, but it's not bothering me at all. Look at that. It did give me a little bit more coverage, I think. Excuse my eyebrows again, like I'm growing them out. Okay, don't judge me. But look at that. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Alright, so I'm gonna do blush because you know I love my blush or whatever. So I'm going in with this Living in GALifornia blush by Benefit. Everything has a scent. You guys seen that? Or it's this brush. Or it's my eyes. Oh, I do see it. I do see it. Oh, Lord has mercy. I can't see from afar, you know. I like it. It has specks of shimmer in it. It's pretty nice though. I like it. I like it a lot. So yeah, as I was saying, I do have another child, and so that's kind of what made it even more difficult for me to come and do videos, but I'm going to try to get back on that, and hopefully I'll be able to keep up with it, because YouTube is something that, you know, I enjoy doing. I want to put more effort into doing it, and I just hope I can do that. Quite frankly, hopefully I can, with my life being hectic with these children, but nothing tried, nothing done. All right, so I also, during my hiatus, I was still keeping up with makeup trends and what's going on, and so I just happened to still order them even though I wasn't really using them. Hoarder life. Okay, so I'm gonna try this putty highlighting thing that was going on, I think a year ago or something. It's by Stila. Do have that purplish lip tinting thingy-majig. I'm going to go in with this purple shade right here. How can I forget, guys? So after hearing everybody raving about this bronzer, I'm like, hey, you know, I want to be a part of that raving committee or whatever. So I got the Omega bronzer. So let's try to see if it will even work or show up on my skin tone, even though we did go in with some products already, but whatever. We can put makeup on top of anything, you know? So what am I doing? What am I? Everybody says it smells like coconuts, but in my opinion, it really doesn't. So I'm not really seeing anything. This looks like, to be honest, this looks more like my face powder. What do you think? But what? not. I just have to have everything that everybody is raving about. So my life smells more perfumey than coconutty. That's just my honest opinion. Anyway, okay, so I mean, I pretty much finished. Oh, I didn't put lashes on, so I did get these velour lashes in one of the boxes as well. So let's try to put this one on. So yeah, these velour lashes came with the velour lash glue as well. So I'm gonna put them on, and if you can see, these are already short, so I don't even have to cut them, and it does say effortless, no measuring, no trimming, no eyeliner. After I whopped eyeliner on already, no drama. Now it's effortless to achieve flawless natural lashes. Okay, let's see. So they're super tiny, right? Super. Okay, so this is how they look. I like them. They look natural. They weren't the most easiest, I can say, but maybe this is also due to the fact that I haven't applied lashes in such a long time. January, my birthday, we're now in May, today's what, the 22nd. Oh my god, I've been here since what, after 11, it was like 11:08 or something, and now it's like 12:31. I need to get my life a whole bunch together, okay? Anyway, I can definitely feel that lashes are on my eyes. They're not the most comfortable. I can feel them. It's like I'm gonna go crazy. Like I'm feeling these. I'm feeling them. So I'm not really sure I'm gonna be reaching for these ones. But yeah, I'm definitely feeling them. Let me zoom you guys out. Okay guys, so I mean, you know, subtle is my thing, so I can't even trip when it comes to that. So let's go ahead and try out this prismatic the prismatic plumper. Let me take it out of the box. Oh, this is pretty. So this is it. It's called the Prismatic Plumper. Ooh. Let's get this. So this is how it comes out. So I have nothing on my lips but lip balm. Are you guys seeing this? Hold on. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I'm trying not to put it all over, just right in here. When I first, I'll give you my thoughts after. Oh, that's so pretty. And it smells like cotton candy. Like, it smells so good. Listen, oh my god, this one is called Prismatic Plump 01 Effervescent. It's plumping. It's doing it. It's doing something. And that color is so pretty. Oh, that color is so pretty, guys. I was not expecting this. This is how I remember putting on makeup. Just made me feel so pretty and so like I'm having this whole new experience. And so I'm glad that I could actually you know, come back on here and just share my experience with these with these different makeup products, because and I'm not finished. I do have here the Estée Lauder Set Plus Refresh Perfecting Makeup Mist. So I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a mist of that, and this is how the product looks. And let's see. Did I do too much? Ooh, strong and alcohol-y, but whatever. I'm feeling that plumping, but it's not something that, it's not a burning sensation or anything. It's just very nice. So this is the finished look, guys. And you know, actually, I feel like I'm digging it. Or like I'm digging it. At first I was just like, hey, no, we're playing with makeup, whatever, but I like it. I like you know, I like the highlight. I never thought that this shade would come out like this on my eyes. The lips, as I said, I don't have on anything. That's just the natural shade of my lips, and I just have this on, and it's, oh my god, it's so pretty. Like, is this like doing it justice? It's so pretty, guys. Like, this is definitely, I'll definitely go out and, oh my god, like, and I've had it all this time just sitting down. And the pumping sensation is not bad, I can tell you. It's not burning. It's not like, it's not as intense as the lip injections Too Faced. It's not as intense as that. Definitely not as intense as this Soap and Glory. So if you don't like those, definitely give this one a try. The foundation, like, even though it's so subtle, and this makeup look is giving you futuristic, not really, no, you don't think so? I don't think so either. This is just mild, but even though I have like iridescent purplish looking Transcendent, because I'm pretty sure that's what it's called, Transcendent, highlight going on, the blush. Oops, the blush went somewhere because I don't think I'm seeing it anymore. I'm seeing contour, highlight, no blush. Let me see, where did the blush go? I don't know, who cares? We're at the end of the video right now anyway. But yeah, I definitely do see it now. I'm just gonna go wash it off anyway, but I love it. The foundation, it's nice. It makes my skin look like skin, as it says. Skin feels so good. I like it. It has that refreshing kind of scent. If you don't like scent, you probably, is that a fly? I don't know. That's the finished look. So I'm glad to be back. I'll try to put out more videos more often, and this was a start, and I'm glad I got to finally go through the video, because I've been procrastinating and holding off for so long, not for any reason in particular. It's just because of the kids, and when I do have a little bit of free time, I just want to sit down and chill and just enjoy myself. But this was nice. This was definitely nice, and so I'll try to get back on track to start doing them again for you guys. So that's it. That's all there is. So see you guys in another video. Bye, guys.